I'm Paris from Cooking with Paris and welcome to my kitchen. I want to thank Farhang Foundation for giving me the opportunity to share with you one of my favorite Persian dishes, Kuku Sabzi. Kuku Sabzi is a staple of Persian cuisine consisting of a variety of herbs. It's easy to make and is perfect choice for either brunch or late night snack. And it's so good. So let's get started. To make Kuku Sabzi, you're gonna need 1 cup of chopped parsley, 1 cup of chopped dill, a cup of chopped cilantro, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of chives. You're also gonna need 4 eggs, half a cup of crushed walnuts, a 1/4 cup of barberries, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, salt, pepper, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So first we're gonna start with the eggs. We whisk our eggs until they're broken up a little bit. This is great. Now we add the oil, the salt, pepper, and garlic, and baking powder. I love this stuff. Okay, great. Then we add all our herbs, making sure they're mixed together really well. Oh, it smells amazing. Lastly, I like to add walnuts and barberries. They are a great contrast to the herbs. The barberries give it a tangy hint, and the walnuts add a nice crunch. It's my favorite part of Kuku Sabzi. For our pan, we're going to coat the inside of it with oil. Okay, great. Then we add our mixture. To bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. Okay, so it's ready to go in the oven. Our Kuku Sabzi is ready to enjoy. I garnish it with a lot of barberries, walnuts, and dill, and it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.